Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning in my channel. But today we are making a movie room at my house. So I have this space there that was kind of like somewhat of an attic space. So it's like a like a mini storage room, but it is an actual full size room. It's about 14 foot long by what is it, 12 foot wide, pretty much. So today we are just turning it into a movie room. So I've already got all the most of the drywall installed and the roof, as well as running the cable. Was it the speaker lines, pretty much? I have them all right here. So what I did, I ran like a 7.1 system in there. So you have four speakers in the back over here. So I got one on this side, one on here, and over there there's a speaker, and there's a speaker on that wall here as well. And up there, what I did is that I put an outlet up there, and also just run like a 25 feet foot cable, which is a HDMI 3D and 4K HDMI cable. That way, if I get a projector that is actually 4K, it actually works fine without any problem. But the other thing that I did as well, just I bought like I bought a used, we call it a projector on Facebook from a guy. So I figured the bulb was the only thing not working on it, but apparently it's not just the bulb, but it's a cheap one anyway. So I just need time to make up my mind as far as to know what kind of projector I'm gonna put in here. But I guess it's just a starting point for that movie room. But so far right now we got most of the drywall in. I got the projector, the mount for the projector. So this is like the building phase right now. Once that's done, so this room's gonna turn into a complete, I'm talking about like a modern movie theater. The goal here is to add about what's the best way to put it, to add about six motorized chair in this room here, starting from the back. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to take it, because I know the manufacturer told me that each chair extend about maybe 7 foot. So at max, I can probably put like maybe four in there if they all are not being used at the same time. Well, obviously they're gonna be used at the same time, or as far as using it fully extended. So those chairs, they're gonna have like a massage in them as well, from leg massage, neck massage, and foot massage, as far as your hand massage as well. So that's the plan for this movie room. So I want to make it as comfortable as possible, and then the seats are gonna be heated because they're gonna be leather seats. So I want them to be heated because the room's gonna be really cold, I guess, because I got the AC line already installed in there. So this is where we at so far right now. We are in the building process. So once everything is done, then I'm gonna build my own 4K screen over here. So I'm not sure exactly. I'm not gonna use those material that they sell on Amazon, or like the Elite screen system, or silver ticket screen or whatnot. So I'm gonna build my own 4K, and in the process, I'll show you guys how I did it as well, to make sure that it looks really nice and fit nicely with the room. Then I'm gonna do some more design as well in the room to make it look more modern and sophisticated but simple. So that's the goal. So anyway, so stay tuned. So this is the first part of building the movie room. So right now I'm getting ready to finish those drywall over there. Once those done, we're just gonna start taping it. As you can see, I start taping those over there, and do the roof as well, and then just throw some compound on there to make sure everything look nice and neat and level, and we'll go from there. So just so you know, if you already have a room, then it wouldn't cost you as much money to make a home theater. But if you don't have a room, if you have a room that's already been finished, then I would say about max it should cost you roughly about like maybe 200-300 bucks to do a simple movie room space where you can sit down and watch a simple movie right now and have a good time. But anyways, just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing finished. Then when we are getting ready to do the design, as far as then we're gonna go. I'm gonna start another video again to show you the process and how things supposed to look like. All right. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.